Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have got the October Boxycharm box. This video is going up late in the day because I literally got it in today after work. So I had to film it, edit immediately, and upload for my Wednesday video. So we have got the box. We've got the card. This month is the Alter Ego box. And I got variation number 1, which I will tell you now does not mean if you got variation 1 you'll get the same lip shade, because my mom also got variation 1. We got the same items, we got different shades of lippy. So that's just a heads up at the beginning so that y'all know. But we have got this, and we are going to go through and look at our items. So I'm going to go with the two that I'm not going to use on camera, and we're going to look at those first. So first we got the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Looks like this. I think it comes with 2 masks, and it retails for $30. And from what I've heard, this hurts like hell. So I don't know if I'm going to try it. I might. It looks like you basically apply some of that black mask from hell stuff to your face, and then you put the lace on top of it and then peel it off with the lace. So we may attempt this later, but not today. Then we got the Pharmacy Beauty Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Looks like this. Of course it is full size. Let's see how it smells. Smells pretty good. It's got kind of a citrusy lime smell to it. I don't know that I'm going to use this yet. I got to read the ingredients better, because anytime something says green, I get a little scared because I'm allergic to avocado, and I know that avocado and avocado seed oil is in a lot of skincare. So I have to read this better to see if I'm going to use it, but it does smell good. It is a good size and says made exclusively for Boxycharm. And with those 2 items, we've already got a $52 value. So if you want to know if this box was up to value, absolutely. So now we get into our highest ticket item. We have got the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. This is really nice. I opened it to be sure it wasn't broken because my box got beat up a lot. But it looks like the same as the unicorn on the outside. You open it up, and let me take off these things. You get, for face items, 6 eyeshadows and a mirror. So we have a highlight and some blushes. This could almost be a bronzer. There's a lot of sheen to it though. Then you get these 6 eyeshadows, only this one here is matte, which it's like a brownish red matte. So if my makeup looks like crap today, I'm only using this palette. Do not come for me, because when I do my boxy videos, I like to use the palettes by themselves so you can know if it could possibly maybe be a standalone palette. So we are going to go ahead and go in with Sneak Peek, which is the brownish matte shade right here. And we are going to put this in the crease and hope to goodness that we can get a half decent blend with only a dark color. I'm not going to use a transition because they didn't give me a transition. So we are just going to stamp this in, get some pigment built up, and hopefully be able to do something. This did look in the sneak peeks, haha, like it was going to be a little more red, but this is definitely a brown shade. It might have some little red undertones to it, but it is definitely brown. So we are just going to put this in the crease. I think I've got enough pigment built up, and try to blend the edges out as good as I can, so that I'm not a complete hot mess, though I'm sure I will be, and I'm sure y'all gonna let me know. So we're just gonna blend it out a little bit more. And think that's as good as we're getting. So we're doing a messy smoky eye today. So let me go ahead and put this on the other eye and then we'll move to our next color. Okay, so it kind of looks horrible, but we're gonna go with it. So next we are gonna try to go in with 12 AM. This is like a charcoal gray black kind of satin thing that we've got, and I'm gonna stamp this into the outer corner and try to make it blend and give me a smokier eye, and see if it can do that. Maybe not, but we're gonna try anyways. So we're just stamping this in, trying to get it a little bit even on both sides. And then now that it's stamped in, I'm going to take my fluffier brush and just blend it in around the edges and on the lid. And I'm not getting as much fallout as I expected from a shade like that. And it looks like it's blended in kind of good, especially for a shimmer shade. So we just blend, bring it over. Yeah, that's what we got. Okay, so now we are gonna take, I want to take Exposed. This is like a straight silver, and I'm gonna get it on my brush, see what it does dry. It's not too bad dry, but it's definitely not too good either. So we're going to grab our MAC Fix Plus, wet it up, and try it like this to see if we can foil the shadow just a little bit better. And yeah, that's definitely a lot more pigment. It's a little bit chunky, but not too bad. It may have to go on with our finger though, because this isn't working how I want it to. So, try it the old-fashioned way and just press it into the lid, just like so. And it's definitely a pretty color. I like it. I don't know how good it goes with this, but it's pretty. Okay, so my camera quit recording. So we're back. I went ahead and did my lower lash line, finished up that silver. Not the best look I've ever done, but we're going with it. And I'm just going to go ahead and use this face stuff in here. I'm going to take these two shades, Hidden Secret and Reveal, and kind of mix those. This will probably be way too dark. Oh, but it's not too bad, because it's not like, oh no, it's kind of bad. That's pretty bad. Well, we tried. But we're just going to go ahead and make it even. And use the good old trick that whenever your blush is a little too much, just take your sponge and pat it out and get a little bit of that blush off. So now, oh no, we need a highlighting brush and I can't find one. Alright, so I found a brush and we're going to take Twilight. I'm not sure if this is like a, yeah, it's a highlighter. So we're going to take Twilight and we're just going to put it in all of our regular highlighty spots. It's not too bad. It's a little harsh, but it's pretty. I like it. So we're just going to put that there, a little down the nose, a little on the Cupid's bow, and since it's already on my finger, we'll put a little bit in the inner corner. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put on eyeliner really fast, and then we're going to go to the next item. Alright, so the next thing we got, and y'all are about to see how beat up my box was the It Cosmetics mascara. They killed my box at the post office. It's a miracle that my palette is intact. But this is a mascara that I have tried the sample size before. I got it for my birthday at Ulta last year. So I've tried it. Sometimes the full size works different, but we are going to try it again. Comes in this tube. Nice wand. And we're just going to see what it does for the lashes. I believe this retails for $24, so this is a higher end mascara, and it looks pretty nice. I could definitely see myself reaching for this. I will get a little closer to the camera so y'all can see the difference. This eye, they definitely look bigger, more separated. I like it, and it's not clumping up, so that's always good. So we're going to finish off this eye, and then we are off. Oh, can't talk in mascara. We are off to our final item. Okay, so the last thing in this box I was super excited for because it is a Kat Von D liquid lippy. I have a few issues with Kat Von D's views on things, which everybody has different opinions, totally fine. So I've never actually bought her makeup. My first high-end item was a Kat Von D foundation that someone gave me, but I've never actually bought anything of hers, but I have been really curious about her formula, so I was excited to see that we were getting this in the box. So mine came in the color Lovesick. That is what the package looks like. And we're going to go ahead and try it on. Probably didn't go with this look, but hey, that's fine. Okay, so this is a pretty color. I don't know how I feel about it. I know that I'm not keeping it long because I'm actually trading my mom. She got a different color. This month you get everything from Bow and Arrow, which is their really light brownish nude, to Vampira, which is like their really vampy red. So I got Lovesick, my mom got Hawkwind. We're gonna trade because she likes more pinky nudes and I like more brown ones. So we're trading. But I told her she'd have to deal with me wearing it for a few minutes for the video. So this is the color I got. This is a full face using a lot of Boxycharm stuff. My opinions. So I can't tell you what I think about the skincare yet. I'll let y'all know in a later video. But the palette isn't bad. The shadows, I wish there was like a transition shade in it. That would make life so much better. But you can't have everything in every palette. They are nice. They blended alright. The metallic looks pretty good. I would recommend using your finger unless you have a better technique with a brush and MAC Fix Plus, because mine did not work. And the face stuff in here was pretty good. The blushes are a little intense for my skin tone. I'm also the color of paper, so you know, it happens. But this was really nice. The mascara looks incredible. I'm going to try it a few more times and see how I feel. But so far, I can see myself reaching for this a lot. It does pretty much what I like for it to do. I wish it lengthened like this much more, but that's alright. And the lippy feels nice. Real time. This was basically dried down except for like one little spot in the corner of my mouth that came off. So really no transfer except for one little dot, and that was my fault because I probably put too much in that corner. I don't know. But it's already dried down, no transfer, good pigment, pretty good color, not my favorite, but it works. So yeah, this was a box I was super excited for. I guess that's pretty much it. So to tag on to the end of this video, I want to go ahead and tell y'all that in December, and it's 2 months away, I will be getting the Boxyluxe. If you're curious, I do know a couple of spoilers. We will for sure be getting the Violet Voss Pro palette, which is like a $60 value by itself. The whole box is supposed to retail for like $340 or more. And I think we may be getting a mini straightener and this massive set of Luxie brushes, which is super cool. And that's only 3 out of like 8 to 10 items. So the Boxyluxe is looking incredible. And also, if you want to check around for some November spoilers for regular Boxy. If it's correct, we should be getting lashes, tweezers, Ace Beauty palette, and a couple of other things. So those are your spoilers. Don't hate me if I clickbait this title because, you know, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do, right? So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I had a lot of fun. This box was super good. This was a month I was actually really excited for, and I think I'll be reaching for a lot of it again. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. I'm going to try to have something special for y'all on Friday if I can get it all together in time. I'm doing a major overhaul of my beauty room and my filming studio, which right now is just a small extra bedroom, but soon it will be much more than that. So I'm trying to get a video together for you guys to show you what I'm doing and how I'm going to be upping my game. Yeah, so that's it, and I will see you on Friday. Bye, guys.